Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all judges of iPERLIS 2021. So for today, I would like to present about my product, which is hybrid GEOPIPE, hybrid fiber reinforced epoxy fill GEOFILLER. So for the inventor for this project is myself is Muhammad Firdaus Abu Hashim, Muhammad Mustafa Bakri Abdullah, Muhammad Ruzaidi Ghazali, Meor Ahmad Faris, and also Yusrina Mat Daud. So we are from the Center of Excellence Geopolymer and Green Technology. So firstly, what is a geopolymer? So the geopolymer is the term was introduced firstly by Joseph Davidovit, which is a French material scientist, to represent the mineral polymer resulting from geochemistry. So the geopolymer refer to an inorganic aluminosilicate polymer synthesized from predominantly silica, which is Si, and aluminium Al materials of geological origin or byproducts materials such as fly ash, kaolin, white clay, silica, and also pozzolonite. So the geopolymerization process involves chemical reaction under highly alkaline condition on silica aluminium minerals, yielding polymeric SiO ALO bonds in amorphous form. So the polymerization process firstly is dissolution of silica and alumina atoms from the source material through the action of hydroxide ion, and then the transportation or orientation or condensation of precursor ion into the monomers, which is one single materials or single monomers. And then the last one is setting or polycondensation, polymerization of monomers into polymeric structure. Okay, why we use geopolymer? So we use polymer firstly is for environmental issue. Firstly is global warming. The world is facing the challenge of global warming and climate change due to carbon dioxide, CO2, greenhouse gases, and increment of CO2 concentration. The second one is low energy consumption. And then, according to the current trend and development, industrial sector have a big challenge to maintain high quality of life while ensuring low energy consumption and CO2 emission. So as you can see in the pie chart, this is the CO2 emission produced by the OPC. So sustainability was a big issue that being concerned in making development because it has become a key aspect in society, economic, and development. So, by introducing geopolymer materials, not only environmental issue, but also it can reduce almost up to 80% of 80 to 90% carbon dioxide emission caused by OPC, ordinary Portland cement, in building construction. So that's why we use geopolymer as alternative way. So this is the flowchart processing to making a geopolymer itself. Firstly, we produce the liquid one, which is sodium silicate mixed with sodium hydroxide, and then to make it alkaline activator. After that, we mix with the geopolymer raw materials that I mentioned before, such as fly ash, white clay, silica sand, dolomite, and so on. So mix the solid one and liquid one, it become the geopolymer materials. So this is the process description for this project, for this product or samples. Firstly, geopolymer raw material that we use for this project is dolomite. Then we mix with the alkaline activator, which is sodium silicate and sodium hydroxide, to make it geopolymer filler. And then geopolymer filler, before we mix with epoxy resin, we crush in the geopolymer itself to make it geopolymer filler with the 150 micrometer. So and then after that we mix the geopolymer filler with the plastic materials, which is we use in this product. I use epoxy resin. So geopolymer filler become reinforcement in this plastic materials. And then after mix we get the metric resin, we combine it with the filament winding process. So in this hybrid GEOPIPE, I use kena fiber and also glass fiber mixed together with the epoxy geopolymer resin. So after that, it cure at room temperature for about 24 hours, and then this is the finished product for this project. So what is filament winding? Filament winding also can be defined as the process of winding fiber material and resin around a shape known as a mandrel to create a composite product. So the basic type of winding that commonly used in manufacture industry are hoop, helical, and polar due to the angle of winding used. So in this project or in this product, to make it the GEOPIPE, I use the helical with the different winding angle. So in order to do filament winding process, hybrid kena fiber and glass fiber reinforced bundles were impregnated with epoxy mixed with dolomite-based geopolymer as metric resin. So this is some of the process of the to make it the hybrid GEOPIPE. So this is the glass fiber. We put it with the geopolymer resin, and then we get the final product. This is the final product, which is the lab scale, and then this is for the market penetration. Make it 10-inch and 4-inch pipe. So this is the lab scale filament winding process. This is the kena fiber, and this is the glass fiber. So for the product performance, as you can see, glass fiber with dolomite geopolymer filler pipe, the compression strength is around 50 to 60 megapascal, and kena fiber with dolomite geopolymer filler pipe, we get around 30 to 45 megapascal. But when we combine the both synthetic and natural fiber, we get it around 60 to 95 megapascal. So as you can see also, at the pressure strength, the hybrid fiber with geopolymer filler pipe gives the highest pressure strength is around 230 megapascal to 270 megapascal. And then this is the cost estimation to make it 1 meter pipe with 25.4 mm diameter. So for the epoxy, 21 ringgit, hardener 2 ringgit, alkaline activator is around 38 cent, glass fiber 90 cent, kenaf 60 cent, raw material is not included. And then for the total to make 1 meter pipe is around 24.95 ringgit only. So compared to the market price that already have in the market, you get around 38.50 ringgit. So with this product, we can save around 35%. So the comparison with other product in the market, existing pipe is expensive, heavier, performance and durability of GRP pipe may be sensitive to damage incurred by poor handling and installation practice. Low operating and maintenance through GRP pipe cannot stand with high temperature and heat resistant. But with this product, which is hybrid GEOPIPE, it much cheaper. As you can see earlier that I show from the cost estimation, it is much cheap compared to the existing pipe. It produces lightweight, high tensile strength, low density, as well as high mechanical resistance and easy handling. Almost no maintenance cost. Geopolymer pipe is using natural filler and waste material that not harmful to human. Natural filler, which is geopolymer itself. So the potential application that we can make or produce by using this process and also the material itself, it is suitable to use in all kind of environment. Market penetration will be easy. Potential customer can be from all kind of industries such as educational, factory, or construction. And then the last one for the potential application is an alternative to more expensive coated steel, stainless steel, and other exotic metal alloy piping. So as the novelty for this invention is the product is very versatile. It can produce various types of products such as pipe, tank, and vessel. So the invention is convenient to use and easy to install, environmental friendly, towards green material, using geopolymer material that are from waste material, easily available and cheap, suitable for both synthetic and natural fiber, using existing equipment setup for filament winding process. So it will not use any other kind for filament winding. We just use the existing one to produce the product. So as the conclusion, this product summarizes the geopolymer materials using byproduct from waste industry, which is dolomite, fly ash, white clay, and many more. So for different application, we minimize the degradation of the environment, safe for use, promote use of renewable resources, and also energy saving. So for the pattern, this product has two patterns, which is first one is pattern application, a glass fiber reinforced composite pipe, and then the second one is pattern US. This is the pattern pattern materials or pattern application. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. If you have anything or you have any question regarding this project, you can directly contact me at my email. So that's all from me. Thank you.